X and Y are two hydrocarbons. When X is completely burnt in air, 0.5 moles of X produce 60 decimeters cubed of carbon dioxide and 3 moles of water, r.t.p. Deduce the molecular formula of X. So 1 mole of gas at r.t.p has a volume of 24 decimeters cubed. And well, from the question, I wrote out an equation where X combusting in oxygen will give carbon dioxide and water, because it says that you have a hydrocarbon, right? So if you have a hydrocarbon, therefore, you want to combust in oxygen, you would have carbon dioxide and water coming out. And it also told us how many moles of X we had, told us how many moles of water we had, and it also told us in not so many words how many moles of carbon dioxide we have. Because if we have volume, we can find out moles, right? So I went on to do this. It said if 1 mole of any gas occupies 24 decimeters cubed at r.t.p, then X moles of carbon dioxide will occupy 60 decimeters cubed. And this right here is the expression you would use, right? So then 1 mole, I wrote it out as 1 over X equals to 24 over 60. And of course, since you watch all the transposition videos, you will know that you just multiply this by 60 and divide this by 24 and multiply the entire thing by X to get rid of this, 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 this. And the same thing you would do over here. You would multiply by 60 divided by 24 and multiply by X, and you will get rid of the X over here. And this way you have your 60 decimeters cubed times 1 mole over 24 decimeters cubed. Of course, these are going to cancel out, and you're left with moles, and the mole ratio would be, the mole that you will get would be 2.5 moles. So if mole ratio of carbon dioxide to water, because remember the question is asking about the carbon dioxide, the hydrocarbon. And hydrocarbon consists of what? Carbon and hydrogen, right? So we will go over now and say, well, now I know that I have 2 moles of carbon dioxide and 2 moles of water. And that is the same as saying you have 2 moles of carbon and 3 moles of the H2O, the H2, sorry. So what I would do, to round this up to a nice whole number, I will multiply 2.5 by 2, and the same thing you do to this, you have to do this. So you will end up getting 5 to 6. And that number now you will put in front of these things here. So if you have 5 moles of carbon dioxide and 6 moles of H2O, how much do you actually have? So you have 5 of C and you have 6 times 2 of H. So therefore the ratios are 1 to 3 would have C5, H 6 times 2, and you get C5, H12. And that then would be what I get from that. That I will get the general formula of CnH 2n plus 2. Why? Because if you have 5 carbons and you have 2 times 5, you will get 10 plus 2 equal to 12. Right? And that's of an alkane. So therefore, your hydrocarbon was pentane. And to draw it out, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And there you would have it. All in a nutshell. And you will have your H's going around like that. And that is pentane. Hope you found this little video helpful. And do subscribe when you get a chance. Love, peace, and happiness.